Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where the beta text appears and why. Note the exact app and version so you can reverse changes. Once done, export or backup your settings. This protects preferences if something goes wrong. Then, open the app settings and enable developer or advanced options. Make sure to reveal hidden toggles. Now, locate the UI element or flag labeled beta and prepare to change it. This step starts the actual removal process, not just preparation. You now modify the configuration that renders the beta text. First, open feature flags, config files, or the CSS/HTML asset that includes the label. Use DevTools to find the exact selector. Then change the flag value from true to false or remove the DOM element and save your edits with proper permissions. Make sure to clear cache or restart the UI process so the updated assets load. Once the app restarts, verify the label is gone in multiple views using the inspector. You finish by thoroughly verifying the beta text is removed across screens and user roles. Test in a fresh session or incognito window to avoid cached artifacts. Next, reapply any cosmetic fixes and document exactly what you changed so rollback is simple. If the text still appears, investigate CDN caches, minified bundles, or server-side rendering that may serve old assets. Purge caches and redeploy if needed. If that fails, restore your backup and narrow the change with smaller commits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.